Vendors livid after unfinished repairs leave Maypen Market flooded. Good evening and welcome to this abbreviated version of Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug. Also this evening, tension high among PNP supporters in Southeast St. Catherine. And later, Vibes Cartel's attorney to appeal Thursday's Supreme Court judgment. There's also sports in this newscast, so please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.